Jaydeep sir, this is a great initiative. Okay, when we got the invite for the KidZania, we were not aware that what will happen, but now it's completely clear what was your intention. So how are you feeling today with this initiative?
It's feeling great. I think role-based learning models are a great model for children for learning life skills. And with Gen Alpha, I think who born in the digital age, for them to know about safe experiences on the net are very, very important.
Right.
They're super excited to be here.
And sir, I can see even the ages are here, small children, small kids, they're excited what it's all about. So tell me how they are going to benefit from this center.
I think it's very important for us to have them understand what could be phishing scams, what could be unsafe experiences online, how to do basic digital forensics. I think even if we're able to impart that education to a few children, I'm sure they would go and talk to other children also.
Right.
So I think learning this way is a great experience for the children, and we hope that this will take on much higher volume as we move forward.
Right. It's just a beginning. I know you started with this place, and I'm sure that there might be planned future-ready things you might already have in your mind. So, what new thing we can say this year? This kind of awareness where you're investing.
We already have launched in Bombay. This is the second launch with KidZania in Noida.
Okay.
And we keep on investing our time and energies in ensuring more resiliency, cyber hygiene in all age groups.
Right, sir.
So last year we did CSR activities with senior citizens in Bombay. So I think it's important for us to cover all demographics, all ages, for have better experience and better visibility.
And so, what will be your message to the parents in Delhi NCR? What will be your message to them?
Be friends with the children, talk to them, counsel them, and have basic protection mechanisms on your devices.
Right. Is any other message for the parents about the safety or hygiene for the digital life, the young children?
It's very important for them to have basic parental controls, like Kaspersky Safe Kits is an example. There are other tools in the market, and having some basic antivirus tools, preferably Kaspersky, but there are other tools also.
Right.
It'd be good to have them on the devices, and most importantly, counsel the children on what's safe cyber behavior. I think that's very, very important.
And a few things which might have been left. They can visit this center and to know more about.
Absolutely, this is a great center, and I think I want to be a kid again to have more fun with this event.
Right.
And KidZania.
Right, sir.
Thank you.
Congratulations again, sir.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.